Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be quickly reviewing and packaging brand new Lenovo T14 4th generation. Laptop comes with a Core i5 13th Gen. It has a 16 gig of DDR5 memory RAM, 512 gig of a solid state drive. It has a FHD Plus touch screens and also it has a 1080p front web camera. All right, let's break up the security seal here. Let's see what's going on. So it looks like it has a pretty basic packaging. So there is a 65 watt Type-C Lenovo power adapter. Some protection cover, and here's the laptop. Well, yeah, so first impression, I mean, a laptop is fairly heavy, but I mean, it's a business grade laptop. So we have full Ethernet port. There's two USB Type-C ports, which both of them you can use for charging. HDMI port, USB port, audio port, and on another side there is another USB port. So it also has the slot for SIM card. And let's see what's going on here. So we can see it's pretty, there's really nothing changed on the design. As far as I can see, the keyboard is pretty much the same. I think the touchpad is a little bit wider. Again, the good thing is the laptop has a touch screen, so it will give you an option, you know, to work with either with the touchpad or with the screen, which is pretty convenient. Also, you do have a privacy shutter for your webcam, so you don't need to stick any band-aids or any other type of sticky tapes on the camera to make sure your privacy is protected. And what else? Let's quickly remove the bottom case to see what's going on inside. Stay tuned, subscribe, let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna be starting my project by pulling the bottom case out. And the main reason why I wanted to take this laptop apart is just to see myself and to show you guys what can be upgraded or what can be possibly replaced, and how difficult it's going to be to replace certain parts. The removal of the bottom case was super easy. Just to use the one random corner and my bare hands, and bottom case within few seconds popped out super easy. Here is all the internals. So the battery can be replaced very easy by pulling all the screws. The same thing with a heatsink and cooling fan. There are two slots available for storage, so you can actually upgrade it, as well as one more slot available for memory RAM. All the external connectors are located on the left side, which are soldered to the motherboard, so it's going to be held to replace it. One USB port has a daughter board. It replaces very easy, as well as Bluetooth, and the Wi-Fi card is separate, which is a great thing. Thank you very much. Peace.